Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to replace screen for HP Envy M4 1115DX. I bought my screen from laptopscreen.com. It is the best site to get a screen for replacement, and I'm going to show a step-by-step procedure how to replace the screen. First we need to remove the battery from the laptop. We just need to slide the button which is present here. The battery is gonna pop out. We can put the battery aside. Now we need to remove the bezel attached to the screen. I'm using a card to remove the bezel. This is the card. Okay, now we remove the bezel. Here are 4 screws which I'm showing with my finger. We need to remove them carefully. And I got it. Now we need to slowly remove the screen from the frame. We got a display adapter located here. Now we need to remove the display adapter very carefully. I don't want to spoil my display adapter. I'm gonna do it very carefully. Just watch out. First I'm gonna remove the tape. I'm using my utility knife to remove the adapter. I got it. Now the screen is detached from my laptop. This is my new screen which I got from laptopscreen.com. First, I need to attach the display adapter back to the new screen. I can do it with my fingers. Just I need to slide it. Just we need to be a little careful. We just need to slide it. Make sure the adapter is placed properly, and I'm placing back the tape. I am just attaching 2 screws. I'm gonna check my display. I'm putting my battery back, and now I'm gonna turn on my laptop and check the display whether it's working or not. There it goes, it's perfect. And now I need to place the screws back. I'm gonna place the screws, and I'm putting the bezel back, and make sure the bezel is attached properly. There we go.